Yo, everyone, hello, it's me, Pizza Love, and I have Chloe here. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Snoring, the elephant puzzle. Let's get playing right now. Let's do the puzzle first. Alright, let's do it. Okay, how do we do this? Click the apple. Okay. Oh, we did it! So match one to solve another cool puzzle? Okay. Let's continue. Let's do Wild West. Okay, how do we do this? I don't know. Let's do that cow first. Okay. We did it? Yeah! Woo! We did it! Okay, next level? Yeah? Okay. Get in there. Come on, cow. Yeah, there's a cow right there getting that food. That food. And then level clear. Great job, Chloe. Okay. Alright. Next level. Here we go. This might be a tricky level. Yeah. Take that. Okay, alright. That opens down there. Now we're going down. Yeah. We got next level. Oh, come on. Really an ad? Yeah, ads always happen. Well, I can't imagine with an ad. Yeah. Oh, wait, skip. Yeah, skip. We're not 30 yet. Yeah, we're not 30. Yep. Okay. Alright. Okay, no, we don't need to shop now. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. We got the kiwi. Yeah! We don't need to buy this. Yeah. Oh, we got a gift. No ads. Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue. There. This is pretty hard. I know. Got the kiwi. Good. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Thanks. Next level. Going. Yeah. We got this. We get this very much. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Come on, little piggy. They got. Okay, try again. Okay, no, it's not gonna get it. Okay, here we go, and, get it. Come on. Dang it! Don't worry, we'll try again. I don't think we're going fast. Yeah, I know. We've gotta go faster this time. Okay, this will work. We did it! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Did it. Okay, next level, shall we, Pizza Love? Yeah.
I wasted hundreds on curly
Don't
hair
worry,
hacks
we can
when
take
this
a break
is what
after
really
that.
worked.
Okay.
I thought I had wavy hair that was just drying.
We're back, everyone. Here we go. Take that. Piggy. Okay, we got it. Yeah! Woo! No, thank you. Okay. Yeah. We did get the kiwi. Should we do that? No. Okay, come on. No! Okay, let's try again. No, we gotta wait. Alright, go. Okay. We did it! Yeah! Woo! We should stop here by today. No, let's not. Okay, let's do it, Chloe. Woo! That's so easy. Yeah, I know. Okay. Alright, we're back. This level seems hard, Chloe. Yeah, I know. Come on, little piece. Okay. Wait, what the? Did we try? Yeah, I think so. Oh, man. gonna finish the whole thing? Yeah, we are. Oh, come on! It's okay, Pizza. We can do this. Oh, we did it! Yeah! Okay, how many levels do we have now? Uh-oh. Okay, let's try again. Okay, be careful, Pizza. Don't go like that! Okay. Okay, and now. Be careful. We're not gonna get it. Yeah, we are. Man. Okay, you know what? We wait. Go. Toodle doodles. What's that word? I don't know. Okay, alright. Okay, this time we did it. Good. Okay, how many levels now? Oh man, we got 5 more levels to complete Wireless. That's good. Okay, here we go. Alright, my turn. Okay. Dang it. Okay, you're very close. Okay. Oh wait, this is how you do it. Oh man, we gotta get the TV. You know, like the TV. Yeah. Yeah. Crap. Well, Chloe, did you just say crap? I don't know. I heard you though. Okay. We're playing an ad. Yeah, we are. I don't know why we're playing an ad. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's skip. No, what the? You don't need Google Play. Okay. Alright. We should wait? Yeah. Okay, wait. No. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, here we go. We got it. Yeah! Woo! Okay, here we go. Next level. Did you just put the stars? No, those are floors. Oh, they kind of sound like the stars were birthday. Yeah, I know. They sound like balls. Okay, here we go. Okay, take that. Yeah, this is just too crazy to know. Yeah. How many levels now? Oh my, we got 2 more levels. Yep, here we go. And got the TV. Good. Alright, this is it. The final level of Wild West. Here we go. Alright. Oh man.
I'm just...
Okay, this is it. The final level. And... crap. Oh, stop saying that. Sorry. Okay. Alright, we did it. We finally got all those levels done. That's good. Okay. We're done for today. You'll see you in the next gameplay, right? Yep. See ya!